What's up guys, it's me Jimmy. So how to control the ISO? Yes, ISO. For example, we are in the aperture mode. This one will be used for our aperture and this one will be used for shutter speed. But to control the ISO, you can click the Q button, go to Q button, and you can from here control the ISO as you want. So yeah, it's that simple. Or you can manually set like function or the first one for the ISO. I have set the first this front dial for the ISO. As you can see, I can easily select the ISO. It was me, G Magic. Subscribe and bye.